Dos turbos. So I was looking on Facebook Marketplace for things I absolutely don't need, and I came across a rear mount turbo kit for a 4th generation Trans Am. This is a complete kit, got an extra turbo in it, an intercooler which may not be needed. Also, for the car I want to put it on, the white RX-7 I have. It's the one I'm currently working on. I want to use as a daily driver car, and I don't see it being practical having a rear mounted turbo setup on our daily driver car, especially for the roads we have here in Louisiana. There's a pothole everywhere. I don't want to bottom out, hit something, ruin the system, or have the car down for a few days. Being this is more specific to the 4th generation F bodies, not everything here will probably be usable, but that's something I'm willing to work with, being that pretty much everything else is here. So it is quite dirty. I'm gonna polish this up a little bit and see what it looks like after. Here I broke the kit down and cleaned all the parts individually. I put the couplers and reducers in a box. There are both turbos here. All the plumbing and a cooler, intake. All the clamps are in a bag, and the oil lines in the bag. Took a little while to clean up all that. I don't know how it gets that dirty, but no biggie. Here's all the piping and plumbing. These parts were heat wrapped. I don't really like that too much. I can get this ceramic coated later if I want. It's a STS turbo kit for the LS1. LS engine. Tile. And I'm not going to pretend like I even know where each one of these parts are going to go. It's going to be figure it out as I go when the time comes. Also, what I've been kind of sleeping on reality that I have a Trans Am. If I put a 6.0 in there, then I can probably use this kit for it instead of the RX-7. Front mount intercooler. I'm not sure what brand it is. It does have some numbers etched into it. I didn't run them to see what it goes for. It doesn't really matter. Like a few little fins are bent, but overall, like it's in good shape. Got all the clamps, oil hole, oil line, and the harness. The harness I'll have to reuse. I can get a new line, and I can see what I can salvage out of the clamps. Maybe just want to get all new ones. Same goes for the intake and all the couplers. Some of these look like they'd be reusable. Some, not sure if I want to. Vibrate, I'm familiar with this brand. I don't know this one. That intake, that just, well, air filter. It's big. Has that going for it. Probably get a new one or use a whole different system. I'll see. This piece looks cool. Not gonna lie, I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I could do research and find out. Okay, and the turbos. This little guy needs to be rebuilt. But this one supposedly only has idle time on it. It's a GT45 69mm. So that's cool if that's good to go. Bigger than the actual kit came with. Well, that's the kit. Got it all for a whopping $500.